Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, I will show you exactly how you can find contact numbers from airlines which are very hard to find online. So imagine you have a customer who flies the Cebu Pacific and something happens and you need to call Cebu Pacific. It might be very commonly that it's one of the airlines you probably will use a lot, so you might already have the phone number. But I noticed that recently Cebu Pacific is starting to hide their phone number, or it's very hard to find their contact number on their website. They're pushing more and more people to emails, but of course, sometimes you just need to call them. So how can you find that information on CouponBet? So CouponBet has a huge database, and all you need to do is once you are logged in on CouponBet, click on Tools. Once you click on Tools, you can see here all the information from many different airlines, and if you type in here Cebu, you can see Cebu Pacific. So let's click on this, and once you click on this, you can see here their official logo, their IATA code, and of course their contact number. And you even have their office location in case you need to visit them. And this is all helping you to organize and get all the information quickly so you can serve your customers better. So if you're interested in this, just check out CouponBet. Just go to couponbet.com, and once you're on CouponBet, just click here on sign up. And once you want to sign up, you fill up your information and click register now. And once you did that, you get an email. Open the email, click the confirmation link in there, and your account is good to go. So just go and register right away on CouponBet.